So this question, right, we have a number pattern question. Okay, Ray uses lines and dots to form the figures that follow a pattern as shown. 6, 9, 12, 15. They are all multiples of what, everybody? 3. Yeah. If you can spot it's multiple of 3, right, you can use this to help you to solve the question. So I want you to take 6 divided by 3, right? It's a 2. 9 divided by 3, right? It's a 3. So it's 3 times 3. 12 divided by 3, right? Is a 4. So 4 times 3. 15 divided by 3, right? Is a 5. So 5 times 3. Okay, then the next one quite easy. 2, 3, 4, 5. Next one is a 6. Times 3, you'll get 18. Now, for the lines, right? Everything from 6 to 8 is always add 4. 10 to 14 add a 4. This one add a 4. So next one, you just add 4. Okay, you'll get a 22. A figure in the pattern has 1, 0, 8 dots. What is the figure number? I want you to see the thing that will never change. Can you see everything here is times 3, times 3, times 3, times 3. This is confirmed fixed inside your pattern. The number that will keep changing is this number in front, but behind is always times 3. How do you get this number here? You need to link back to your figure number, right? The number that you always change, right? I want you to compare back to your figure number. If let's say figure number go to this number, is add how many? Always add 1. 1 plus 1 give you 2. 2 plus 1 give you 3. 3 plus 1 give you 4, right? It's always plus 1. You can check one more time. 4 plus 1 give you 5. So, right, this number that you're getting, right, is you need to take your figure number plus 1. Then you can get this number that always changes. This, I will replace it with figure number plus 1. Then that number you will multiply by 3 to get how many dots. So this is your pattern. And since they tell us is 108 dots, I will write 108 is equals to figure number plus 1 times 3. Work backwards. Opposite of times 3, divide by 3. So I divide by 3 already, I get 36. But remember, after I divide by 3, I still left with a figure number plus 1. So what's the opposite of plus 1? You all tell me it's 35. Good. You all minus 1, huh? Okay, that's how you get 35. Find the total number of dots and lines in figure 72. To find the total number of dots and lines, I can first find the total number of dots. Then I find the total number of lines and then add together. So if it's figure 72, number of dots. Just now we already derived the formula. It's figure number plus 1 times 3. So if your figure number is 72, is 72 plus 1 times 3. You will get 219. To get number of lines, right, you started with a 6, and then what happened? You always plus 4, plus 4, plus 4, plus 4, okay? And then you will arrive with your final answer. Okay, that's usually what happened, right? So I'm going to use number sense to help you all derive that formula. I want you all to look at all the plus 4 there. How is it linked to your figure number, okay? If you plus 1, 4, right, look at this, if you plus 1, 4, you end up at figure 2, If you plus 2, 4, you will end up at figure 3, correct or not? You plus 3, 4, you will end up at figure 4. If you plus 4, 4, you will end up at figure 5. Tell me what is the relationship with the number here and the figure number here. Like how many times this appear? How is it linked to your figure number? Okay, I will call this is your number of gaps, okay? How is it linked to the figure number here? If here is 1 gap, your figure number is 2, right? So here is 2, right? Is 3, right? So the number of gaps must do what to get your figure number? Your number of gaps must always plus 1. Yes, it will give you your figure number. Correct. If now it's figure 72, how many gaps do you have? How many of all these plus 4 you have? 71, correct. So you take 71 times 4. Because you got 71 of these gaps happening. 290. So total is 219 plus 290. It will give you 509. Okay, answer is 509.